Guys, welcome back to our channel Fabulous Food. Today I'll be making milk powder peera. Here I have whole milk here, nice whole milk powder. I have a condensed milk and some cardamom powder, just 3 ingredients. Check it out, looking so nice. 3 ingredients, milk powder peera. This one you can get at Walmart, it's really good. And it's so cheap too. Anyways guys, I would like to wish everyone a happy Maha Shivratri today. To all my family, friends, subscriber, all who celebrate Maha Shivratri. Happy Maha Shivratri to everyone. Adding my condensed milk to the heated pan. 300 gram, 1 can. Adding my milk powder slowly. Add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. So for 1 can of condensed milk, I added 300 grams of powdered milk. Look at that. Looks so good. So now I'll just make this off like wrong. Check it out here guys. I just gotta wrong it off now. Looking so good. Check it out. And I have these little bowl here. I'll put them in. So I'm just gonna use 1 ice cream scoop. Just like this. And start wrong it off. Check it out. Looks so nice. Check it out. Check it out guys, looking so good. Check it out guys, looking so nice. Milk powder peera, looking so nice. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like how it turns out. See you in my next video. Happy Shivratri to everyone. Bye.